With dedicated engineers in design, materials, quality, and supply chain, EBCO serves as an extension of your company in supporting your application. Our team can assist with an existing issue or a new design and produce a customized solution. Starting from a concept stage, EBCO provides complementary analysis and modeling to understand your specific needs. From there, we can provide rapid prototype samples to ensure you're getting a product that exceeds your expectations. When it comes to both sample and production quality, you can rest easy knowing that every part's physical and material properties are inspected using our state-of-the-art equipment.
Disproportionate impact of
More than half of Black business owners.
And disproportionate.
Somehow we always find a way to rise.
To the blueprint builders, to the backbones of every block, for the curators of the culture, and for generations to follow. You might fall, but never fail. Keep rising, keep rising, keep rising. Apply for business, marketing, and tech makeovers on us.
As Trane Technologies, we believe changing our industry will change the world. So we put a stake in the ground with some historic commitments, including a pledge to reduce our customers' carbon emissions by 1 gigaton by the year 2030. What we're doing unifies everything that's important: the sustainability of our business, the power of our people, and the future of our planet. As we look to 2030 and even beyond, Trane Technologies will challenge what's possible for the world and enhance billions of lives. There will be some who say we can't, but we don't believe in impossible. Let's rise to the challenge. Together, we are Trane Technologies.